Hello viewers, and welcome back again. I'm still your co-instructor, Dr. Don or Maxi. You can call me anytime, any day, any night, any night. You know what I'm talking about. So today we are going to learn how to use a simple tool to find hidden login admin panels within 3 seconds. And the tool we are going to use is called Breacher, and it was coded by our previous Indian hacker. I did a tutorial on about one of his tool called the Hatchbuster. Okay, but this was just pinned and fixed by Black Hat Ethical Hacking page. So let's begin with our tutorial for the day. I told you the tool is going to help you in just 3 seconds find admin login pages which is being hidden on each site, which will help you upgrade your bug bounty, your pen testing, and other stuff when a company has been giving you opportunity to test their web application. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's get started. So the first thing is let's navigate to the web page, and this is the link. I'll make sure I leave the link in the our YouTube description below, and this is what it entails. Okay, so when you come to this area, you see it's called Breacher, and it's a script to find admin login pages, your vulnerabilities. Okay, so what this is doing, it was updated just 30 months ago. I think it has some indentation which it was fixed by the programmer, which is Sam Dev. Is a good programmer. Okay, and he likes enjoying a whole lot of Python. Okay, he knows how to code in Python and a whole lot of stuff. But just click on this and you could see the information. Now this is what the directories which he made, which contains over 500 or I think 400. When I scroll down, almost 482 login directories where you could find some administrative login pages on a website. They are shown out. The directory as shown below /admin by voucher. Some websites are hidden and you can see, but he has come up with this path which is going to help you do everything within some seconds or some minutes. Okay, so we are going to do the demonstration so you understand what I mean by that. So when I go back now, the first thing, as I show you, anytime you come here, you need to just click on this and clone these onto your Linux terminal. And I'm going to use my operating system I built myself, which is Sage Security OS, and we are going to test this website itself. That's my personal website, so we could see whether we could find some admin pages. And also another site, Learn with Your Brains. This is kind of vulnerable, that's not yet been completed, but we're going to check whether I could find some admin pages on this website as well. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's get started. Go back to my operating system, that's Sage Security OS running. I already installed the tool, but as I show you, when I list and I change directory to this is the application which is called Breacher. Okay, cd Breacher. Getting, you could see the file here, breacher.py. This is the file we need to run. And the first thing is to install. If you've not installed, how I told you is to, like when I go back, when I told you install, is to just hit git clone first, then you go back to the web page on GitHub. Okay, this is it. Then you copy this link by clicking this icon here to copy it, and you just come and paste it here, just like that. But I've already installed it, so no need to paste it again. So let me go back to my Breacher folder again. Perfect. Now because it's a Python file, we need to type in Python first, then followed by Breacher, then the tool starts running. but you could see the program and say, I'm not responding for your shit, and if you get some errors while running Breacher, there are good chances that target isn't responding. Okay, so he said we can use this U argument to supply our website to this program. By saying -u argument is not supplied, enter Python breacher -help. So you can just type Python breacher -h for help to know how to use the tool. Because I know how to use the tool, I don't need to go much further on it, but I want to show you, you just need to type Python breacher -h as it said. It is not okay. Python, I think I did a mistake. It was Python, yeah, like this. Okay, that's not the file, so all you need to do is to just type Python breacher .py -h. Let's see. Okay, perfect. So I didn't bring the .py Python file. So usage, this is how you can use it. You can use the H for help, U for the target URL, which is the web application, the path, the type, whether you want just login pages with which end with the .php extension, ASP or HTML. Okay, and if you want to use thread, like to make it fast, you can use the minus fast flag to specify, so that you can give a thread maybe 100, 200 or 300 threads per second or something like that. Okay, so that it will boost the process of how it is going to run. It's as simple as that. So but without wasting my time, let's do the real practical, then we go find what we meant by using breacher. So I think I've already run some commands already on this, so I'm going to go through and show you some command. Yep, so to run this program we use Python. You can use Python or Python 3 because I've already installed Python 3 on this operating system. I want to use that one to make everything. You can just even ignore the 3 and just type in Python just like this. It's going to work the same. So let me test it on this site, which is, let's say, KTOS, which I showed you here. This one. Okay, I'm going to show you everything about the operating the web page. So all you need to do is to just hit enter. See the tool start running. See the sitemap, and now it's going through all the lists. Okay, when you go to the page here, I'm going to show you breacher. Okay, this part I showed you first, which is this, which contains a whole lot of directories. You know, when you come back to this is what is showing you right here. So it's going through the web pages and trying to find the hidden admin login page, which I don't want people to see. So this is all what the tool is doing. It's going to find it in 3 seconds, but I think it's going through a lot because 482 directories is going to scan through to find the admin page of the website for you. So let me end this because it's going to take time. Now let me run this on this web page, which is this one, learn with your brains, which I told you is not yet completed. I just made it for testing purposes. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is go back, take this thing off, which is this is the web, and type learn with your brains.ml. Now let's see what happens. So probably the moment we type in this, now it starts running through, and look at, we want this admin panel fund. It's trying to find a whole lot of admin, but I need to stop this. Control C. So actually that is how we use breacher to find hidden admin panels on every web page, which step up your bug bounty program or your bug bounty goals and other stuff in the future, which makes everything faster to be able to report some issues to web owners, or which they brought up for you to test. Okay, so that is a simple way to use a breacher. As I show you, we have some help menu which will help you also use a whole lot of flags when you are doing this kind of penetrating testing on a web application. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you in the next tutorial as we dig into more tools and how to use them. Goodbye, stay blessed.